Hello everybody, thank you for joining us for another Pure Resonance Audio video. My name is Andrew and today we're going to be answering the question of what is a push-to-talk mic and how does it work? So today we're going to answer the question of how does a push-to-talk microphone work? Push-to-talk microphones typically have some sort of switch or a button that you press that opens the circuit so that when you speak into it, it allows your voice to go through the microphone, which then goes through your mixer and your equipment and then vocalizes that over your loudspeakers. They're used for a number of different applications. We typically see them in stadiums and retail environments, restaurants where you need to make a quick announcement and not necessarily a long speech like someone in an auditorium who's giving a speech or a teaching or something along those lines. Push-to-talk mics are great for when you just need to quickly say something. In front of us today we have our PTT1 push-to-talk microphone, which is Pure Resonance Audio brand. It's super easy to use, very sleek looking gooseneck microphone. If you look up closely, there's just an on and on switch and it goes both directions. If you push it upwards, it will allow you to just let go and it goes back into place when you're finished making your announcement. If you want to lock it in place, if you're going to be making a somewhat longer announcement, then you can lock it in place and then when you're finished, you just push it back up into place. So it's very user-friendly, not much to it, so not much to mess up. It comes with your basic connection cord XLR here to go into most XLR inputs on a mixer or amplifier, mixer amplifier. Very simple piece of equipment. Very easy to use, and you can utilize it for a number of applications. So that's the basis of what we wanted to cover today, but if you have any other questions or if you think this is a great piece of equipment for your application, give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, thanks for joining us.